Hello everyone! Welcome to today's pronunciation lesson. In this video, we will learn how to pronounce the short vowel sound. One of the first clues to recognize the sound is when the letter I appears between two consonants, especially when followed by a single consonant. In this case, I is usually pronounced as E. Let's get started and master the sound together.
Sit, hit, pit, fit, him, rim, win, thin, spin, skin, skip, kick, think, limit.
Thank you for watching today's lesson. I hope you've learned how to pronounce the sound clearly and correctly. Make sure to practice regularly with words like sit, bit, and hit to improve your pronunciation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Goodbye and happy learning.